I am doing a lecture series based on material science, and this will cover GEAT, engineering services, and civil services previous year questions. Okay, this is about myself. So let's start today's video. Okay, so in this, the first question is related to point imperfection. Okay, so let's see, it's vacancy and software defects. Okay, let's read the question. What is given? Which of the following pair is a point imperfection? Okay, so vacancy, interstitial, Frankel, and software defect. So software imperfection. Okay, so out of these four, we have to tell which one is the point imperfection. Let's see, his answer is D. All are point imperfection. Okay, so all are point imperfection. Fine. Let's see next question. See, देखिए इसमें क्या बोल रहा है, which of the following pair is not correctly matched. देखिए ये यूपीएससी के जो एग्जाम्स होते हैं ये करेक्ट नॉट करेक्ट ऐसा करके कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करते हैं. सो whether C in the question they are asking correct or not correct, so accordingly you give the answer. Okay, so here they are asking for not correct. So let's see, point defect in crystal lattice. Okay, linear defect in crystal lattice, planar defect in crystal lattice, and volume defect in crystal lattice. Okay, so we have to tell which one is the not correct. Okay, its answer is A. Okay, this is wrong, rest one is correct. Okay, just read that. Next question, this is assertion reason question. Okay, अभी के एग्जाम में शायद नहीं आता, या अगर आता भी तो कम आता है, पहले आता था. Okay, so let's read. Carbon forms interstitial solid solution when added to the iron. Okay, the atomic radius of carbon atom is much smaller than that of iron. So its answer is A actually. Both statement is correct, and this R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, this whatever is the reason is the absolutely correct. Okay. Now next question. So this is also assertion reason question. So here they are saying carbon would form an interstitial solid solution with iron. Okay, the iron atom is smaller than the carbon. So its answer is C actually. This is the reason is wrong. Okay, assertion is correct, the reason is wrong. So its answer will be C. Next question. Okay, which of the following factors govern solubility of two non-ferrous metal both in liquid state as well as in solid state? Okay, so they are saying a crystal structure, relative size factor, chemical affinity factor, relative valence factor. Okay, so let's see which one is the. Its answer is actually B. First is crystal structure is wrong. Okay, so this is a relative size factor, chemical affinity factor, relative valence factor. These three are correct. Next question, this is line. This question from the line imperfections. Okay, so now it's screw dislocation. They are talking about screw dislocation. So screw dislocation. Okay, so this four statement is given. They are asking which one is correct. So lies parallel to its Burgers factor, lies perpendicular to the Burgers factor, move in the perpendicular direction to the Burgers factor, move in the inclined direction to the Burgers factor. Okay, so let's see which one is the correct. So its answer is actually D. Okay, lies perpendicular to its Burgers factor and move inclined direction to the Burgers factor. The first and third is wrong. That is, lies parallel to the Burgers factor. This is wrong, and move in the perpendicular direction to the Burgers factor is also wrong. Okay, so answer is 2 and 4. So according to that, answer is B. Next question. Okay, they are asking the formula. What is the approximate strain energy expression for dislocation of unit length irrespective to its edge or screw character? Okay, so if you have studied the screw dislocation. So you might be you can solve this question very easily. Is actually B, GB square by 2. Okay, just memorize this, GB square by 2. Now next question, refining the grain size of polycrystalline material rendered it harder and stronger. Next question, sorry, not next question, next statement. Grain boundaries provide easy path to the dislocation motion. Okay, so let's see. Actually, both is correct, and the reason is correct, explanation also. Okay, so refining the grain size of polycrystalline material render it harder and stronger. This is absolutely correct. Okay, similarly, grain boundary provides easy path to dislocation motion. Okay, it's a self-explanatory. इसमें आपको ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. Statement itself is absolutely correct. Next question, chemical attack atom within grain boundaries preferentially because they have lower energy than those in the grains, higher energy than those in the grains, higher number of atoms than in the grains, lower number of atoms than in the grains. Okay, ये टाइप वाले थोड़े से टिपिकल होते हैं, आपको एग्जैक्टली पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो ना वर्ड्स के साथ खेलता है. आंसर इज बी, हायर एनर्जी देन दोज इन द ग्रेन्स. दैट्स इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the movement of block of atoms along certain crystallographic planes and direction termed as? Okay, so it's glide, twinning, slip, jog. So I think you can say the answer, it will be the slip, because we are talking about, we are studying, we are solving problem from this screw dislocation, so its answer will be slip. Next, the BCC and HCP metals undergo plastic deformation by slip, twinning, edge dislocation, twinning in combination with slip. Okay, so I think you can give the answer of this. Its answer will be D, twinning in combination with slip. So this is the answer, twinning in combination with slip. Okay, so this was the end of this lecture. We'll solve some more problem based on material science. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.